And we are on day number 60. Welcome to 5 Luo words a day. In this part session of the Luo English Dictionary, we talk about 5 Luo words, their meaning, and a sentence if possible. So welcome and let's roll around. The first word today is Apedha. Apedha. Apedha is something that is spread out, not confined to one place. For example, when you go to a village and houses are spread out in a very large area, or if you're airing out corn in the field and you're spreading it out, that is apedha. So in an example, I can say that ute makakwara oger apedha egweng. So the houses at my granny's are spread out all over the village. That means one is here, another is 10 miles away or 20 miles away, something like that. The second word of the day is Aper peche. Aper peche. So what's Aper peche? Aper peche are the few last numbers of a larger swarm. Like when the last flying ants come out of an anthill, then those few remaining ants are called Aper peche. So if you say when mag Aper peche, it means the few last ones before everything else goes away. So that's the last ones. Or sometimes it occurs on a swarm of locusts. So when you have a locust infestation and then the locusts are running away, then the remaining few you say locust ongogo mag Aper peche. The next word is api. Api are blisters, the blisters that are always in your hand or in your feet. Puro mang'eny nyalo miyo lweti bed kod api. Puro mang'eny nyalo miyo lweti bed kod api. So if you use the garden hoe for a long time, it would cause blisters on your hand. Api. Then the next one is apilo. Apilo. Apilo is pepper. Apilo is pepper, red pepper, green pepper, red eye, black eye. Welo magmama kwayo apilo marakwar. Welo mag mama kwayo apilo marakwar. So mom's guests are asking or requesting for red pepper. Apima. The last word of the day is apima. Apima is something that is weighted or something that is measured. For example, if you're going to measure some sugar or flour or water, depending if you have a container and you're measuring it, then that is what we call apima. Mogo mar tedo mandas nyaka bed mar apima. So the flour used for making buns should be weighted. Or apima can also be if you go to the shop and you just want to buy a certain quantity, then the quantity of sugar, then they would say sukari mar apima. That is weighted sugar, maybe half a kilogram or half a pound, depending on the measurements that you're using where you are. That is the meaning of apima. So that brings us to the end of the 5 Luo words a day for today. And I hope you enjoyed the video. We have a lot more in the playlist. So please go to Luo English Dictionary YouTube channel. In the playlist of 5 Luo words a day, you'll see the content organized by day. And that will help you learn faster and better. Otherwise, please send us comments or questions on the comment section. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Oriti, goodbye.